I've shown you guys the results that I had from overnight blowout curly hair, and you all asked me for the routine, so here it is. I started on some fresh hair, could have dirty hair, completely up to you guys, but I went in with some heat protectant spray or some sea salt spray, anything that's going to get your hair just slightly damp, and then go straight into your sections. I ended up using 5 of the rollers, so section it as you want to and whatever's going to be comfiest to sleep on, but literally grab these chunky kind of bendy rollers. These are from Primark, they were like £2, roll them, but just roll them down and then obviously bend them in the shape whichever is comfiest. I kind of do each section a different way, so one under, one over. This is what they look like, and then of course we went to sleep in them. But in the morning you just roll them out, take them out. It's super easy. They are very tight when they first come out, as you can see, but you just brush them with a wide tooth comb or a hairbrush, but they last all day. This is like 9 hours later. They're unreal.